Hey everybody, good morning. What's going on? I'm not quitting. Um, here on the Positive Wave Rider. First of all, Happy New Year. I think the last video I did was maybe the week before, so I know it's been a while. But anyhow, I want to just get back to what I was just saying about I'm not quitting. In a very odd way, we've been seeing for those who are in the know or spend enough time on YouTube to see this happening dozens of major content creators here on YouTube. We're talking people that have millions and millions of followers, obviously make a fantastic living, worked very hard to get where they got, um, and then kept that train going, have quit. Um, and and in a weird way, that word quit is a harsh word. It's I quit. It is a statement. It is dramatic. Um, but when they're putting up their videos saying I quit, there's a lot of positivity in the messaging in the sense that they are responding and reflecting on the growth process they went through of watching their dreams come true and having an incredible time doing it, but then getting burnt out doing what you love to do, which I can 100% identify with. I think I may have said in a video or two the fact that I've been burnt out as a composer writing music now for the last 20 years, except it is my livelihood. I never made like the big kind of money, like let's say these creators or when Jim Carrey or Tom Shadyac, who are these, giant, Hollywood figures, and they say, life isn't what it is. I'm going to go change, I quit kind of a vibe, I don't want to be a part of that machine or I want to change directions. It's kind of like those content creators or Jim Carrey and Tom Shadyac and other folks that have made a bazooka amount of money. There is that comfort of knowing that your health insurance is paid, that you at least have a full refrigerator and stuff because you do have some money sitting around. So there's a different kind of leverage in their messaging compared to me. I can't quit because I may not be paycheck to paycheck, but fairly close. Um, but my livelihood relies on me staying to something that even though I've burnt out on writing music, I still get, knock on wood, I still get these orders from publishers to write music. And I do it. I do it because I can do it, but I procrastinate. And all of a sudden now I've got 3 days to write 10 tracks for this library or whatever. And it does get a bit of a, it kind of clutches up in my throat. And I go, God, I want to quit. I want, but I can't. And how funny is that? I want to quit doing what I used to love to do, but I can't. I mean, is that's its own little torture, if you would. But the beauty of it is, at least I'm still making a living doing what I'm doing, be it a very small one. These content creators that have quit, really, the truth be told, but being this is the Positive Wave Rider channel, they're pivoting, they're reflecting, and that's a positive thing for them, that they're in that position to be able to do that and take some time off and breathe and go around the world. I'm sure that some of the people they've been using to help on production may not be too happy because you think you gotta let go of a team, or something, however they figure it out. But I won't quit. These channels, though, a couple times I've gone, I'm quitting my YouTube channels and I'm tired and I'm this and I'm that. I mean, the truth be told, those two times where I almost hit that button, I had to reflect on the fact that, wait a minute, I didn't start this to make money. And truth be told, I still don't make money on these channels. I made $42 on my ad revs last month. And those are off of like my guitar backing tracks or maybe a video like this, that opens up with an advertisement, which doesn't happen often. And especially on this channel, Positive Wave Rider, I don't have enough hours and stuff to monetize. So I put this out here for us to enjoy. Um, but at the end of the day, I realized that I came into this platform in a public level of this capacity as somebody who listens to music and just loves music. And then it became something for a minute where people were very generous and bought me cups of coffee and are still going to Patreon, which I'm just like so, over the moon about. And but even at the end of the last 6 to 8 months, where my channel views are so abysmal, and the views of my videos compared to my subscribers are like 0.3% of people who watch. um, at a certain point, you do say, well, maybe I should stop. And then I realized it's about the music, and I love to do it. I could do three of these. I could do three of those reaction videos a day. And so, I'm going to continue to do it. I'm not going to quit, you know. But for those who are putting it out on YouTube that they are quitting, there is positivity for them out of it. And even though the word quit is a harsh word, um, it reads well in a title or on a thumbnail. I quit, and you get, and they don't know those. I'm not throwing shade out there about, oh, they use the word quit so they can get, no, they already get a bazooka million views. That's not it. It just probably wouldn't have gleaned so much or garnered a lot of attention if I said, I'm going to pivot. No, I'm quitting. I'm done. It's over. I'm moving on. Some of them aren't quitting though. Some of them are like taking a break, or maybe just dropping one video every couple of weeks or something. But yeah, I'm not quitting. So you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, evening, morning, night, whatever it is that you're doing. Amongst all this heaviness and darkness and gnarliness that's out there, the one thing we got is our music, and the music for the win. That can go ahead and change the vibes of our head a little bit, no matter what kind of music we listen to, and then hopefully a little positivity. You guys take care. All right.